Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Technology Sahayak. In this video I will show you how to enable developer options in realme C31. To turn on developer options, we first go to phone settings. Now from the phone settings, go to about phone. Press on versions. Now press on 7 times on build number. First press on 3 times and again press on 4 times. After pressing if want screen lock or pattern, give your screen lock. Developer option will be enabled. And the notification below will show if the developer option is enabled. After enable developer options, we will go to developer options. To go to the developer options, we will back and press on system. Guys, you can see developer options. If we are going to do any work in the setting inside the developer option, then press on the developer option. Now we can work on any settings inside developer options. Guys, hope you have understood how to enable developer option in realme C31. Guys, if you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.